2025 Polaris RZR PRO R. And there's some new products on this thing. So let's take a walk around, go into detail about them, and show you what's new. Down below here, we're gonna start with the front bumper. This is the Elite style bumper. You can also get on the website, check the fitment guide, and see if it's gonna fit your Polaris RZR. We equipped the KC lights here on the top, so it's gonna give you a little bit more of the lighting down below besides the factory headlights. You still have all of your factory LED lights here, and it acts down as a skid plate and utilizes your OEM winch. All right, something new here. We've finally got our hands on the all-new 2025 Polaris RZR PRO R. The front end of this thing changed up just a little bit, so they have some air vents here, and the dash is a little bit more beefier. So of course we had to come out with an all-new roll cage. You see we have it equipped with a light bar right across the front. You can also choose to have the billet handles, which I would prefer over any grab handle. Sleek design. This one has the Rockford Fosgate kit added to it. So with our cage, if you have that kit, you're gonna have the ability to run that. I love the sleek design right here. It's gonna add those speakers a lot more protection because these things are super quick, and I've seen so many of them take dirt naps. This cage is going to protect you, your machine, and your speakers. So you have the low brow option, you have a high brow option, and you also have a windshield option, which I prefer. Or you can just remove the windshield and get a little wind in your face. Very simple install with the micro jointed holes right here. You're gonna be able to just mount that windshield on, or when you're ready to get a little wind in your face, you just pull it right off. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite time to ride is at night. There's something about the trail riding at night, seeing the stars. So what's really unique about this cage is you have a sunroof option. With that sunroof option, you can also do a custom powder coat on your roof as well. So on a good day, I'm a given 5'5". I have so much ability to still see right in front of me. And if I have to wear a helmet, there's so much space in between to be able to do that as well. So like I said, these things have got a lot of power behind them. So not only are you gonna need protection with the roll cage, but you're also gonna need protection on the sides. This is your Nerf rail, rock slider. Some people call them so many different things, but I'm gonna refer to this set as a rock slider. It's got your custom tabs here, so you can customize those to the color of your liking, so you can add your own little touch to your machine. So if you want to figure out ways to thump out your RZR PRO R 2025 model, check us out, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.